Nahihirapan ako suportahan yung stereotype na yan dahil, noon nahihirapan ako dahil parang ayoko sumuporta doon sa pananaw na kailangan mistiso ka, kailangan maputi ka, kailangan matangkad ka, kaya gustong-gusto ko yung material mo kasi it was breaking that stereotype.
Yeah.
Na parang, bakit ba kailangan ganito ang tangkad, bakit makinis, bakit...
Yeah.
Pwede ka naman maging... At this is not an excuse, this is not an excuse. Pwede kang maging pogi dahil pogi ka. Period.
Okay.
Diba?
But with me, unang-una, ang parents ko wala naman sa industry.
Correct.
Wala din naman akong...
I get it.
Wala akong padrino and all that. Wala akong bridge. Wala akong tito boy na pwede maging bridge sa akin at that time.
Pareho lang tayo nangangapapa noon.
At that time. So,
pero wait, that controversy about, there was this American song, tama ba ako? Na you were being accused, the allegation, it was alleged that it came from a song. I forgot na.
They were saying that...
Find an ugly woman.
Yeah. That's why my contention was, yung accusation was not authentic.
Okay.
Hindi ako ina-accuse ng tao na kinopya ko yung kanta kasi hindi naman talaga sila nag-a-accuse. Why? Kasi kung nag-a-accuse sila na kinopya ko yun, bakit hindi mo in-accuse yung kanta na yun na kinopya rin sa isang 1963 song?
Hindi, at saka iba talagang tunog. Naalala ko yun. Pinag-aralan namin yun eh. Naalala ko lang yun. At kung pakikinggan nyo po hanggang ngayon, ang layo. Hindi, totoo yun. Kinuha ko lamang kasi gusto ko mapalapit sa iyo. Gagawin na natin ang fast talk.
Okay.
And humanap ka ng pangit has made history. And that's the most important thing.
Yeah.
Let's do fast talk. Okay? Andrew, humanap ka ng pangit o mahirap maging pogi?
Ay, nako, humanap ka ng pangit.
Alabang girls, banyo queen.
Banyo queen?
Sanggano, sang guwapo.
Sang guwapo.
Guwapong mukha o matabang utak?
Matabang utak.
Malakas ang dating o makapal ang mukha?
In between.
Maginoo o medyo bastos?
Both.
Aktor, rapper?
Pareho din.
Suplado, karinyoso?
Karinyoso.
Kotse, motor?
Bisikleta.
Cap o shoes?
Shoes?
Kung ulam ka, ano ka?
Smorgasbord.
Kung hayop ka, ano ka, Andrew?
Ang tindi mo.
Kung hindi ka rapper, ano ka?
White-collar job artist.
Artistang pinakamaganda?
At that time?
Kahit ngayon.
Halos wala na akong kakilala, but at that time, it was Ana Roses.
Artistang pinakapogi?
Bukod sa akin, well, Agamulak, of course.
Artistang muntik ng maging girlfriend?
Ana Roses.
Muntik. Guilty or not guilty? Nanligaw sa leading lady?
I am.
Guilty.
I am.
Guilty or not guilty? May nakadate na fan?
None.
Guilty or not guilty? Naisipang tumakbo sa eleksyon?
Have no heart.
Guilty or not guilty? Natatakot malaos?
On the first day na nauso ako, laos na ako dapat.
And you just started.
Yeah.
Guilty or not guilty? Natatakot kay Mrs.
A little bit.
One word, describe yourself as a rapper.
Always into achievement.
One word, describe yourself as a husband.
Always loving for the family.
As a father.
Always taking care of my kids.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness or chocolate? You cannot do happiness without chocolate.
Best time for happiness?
4 o'clock all the time!
Kung ang buhay mo ay kanta, ano ang title?
Banyo Queen. Yeah,
Banyo Queen.
It was me. It was